We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together, put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video, you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what I'm about, what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. The video today is about MJOLO, the pandemic. I feel like we've gotten so used to using and throwing around this mentality. MJOLO wanye. I don't even like using that phrase, but I'm using it because I'm trying to get you guys to understand what I'm trying to say. That is what we keep hearing. That is what we keep seeing on our social media. That is the word that we keep spreading. MJOLO, the pandemic. We keep talking about how difficult relationships are. We keep talking about how all men cheat. We keep talking about how a man can't be faithful. You know, he can't just have one person. You really think that you are the main chick. Yes, you might be the main chick, but there sure are others. We keep having this spreading this word, spreading this philosophy, spreading all of this. And I don't know if it's a matter of we want to trend and we want to stay relevant, but I'm here to tell you guys that I personally have decided that that does not apply to me. And I want to remind you as well that you are speaking these things into your future. You are speaking these things into your relationship. What are you professing over your marriage? What are you professing over your relationship? If you're single, what are you professing? What are you confessing? What are you speaking into your future relationship? Are you even going to have a future relationship if you continue to have this mindset? Relationships, they always end in tears. That people can't have a relationship that is going to end in, marriage and babies and building families. And that is why we have young people who are so deathly afraid of getting into committed relationships. We don't even believe anymore that somebody can commit. We don't even believe in the idea of being married. We don't even want to share how happy we are in our relationships, because we are scared that people are going to come and be on some, hey, it's going to end in tears. Hey, yo, you think, that is sad. It is sad that when you see somebody else happy, that you feel like it is your duty to make sure that their happiness does not last. It is sad that when people break up, we rejoice and we laugh. That is sad. Stop speaking such negativity into your relationships. We want to see happy marriages, and there are happy marriages. We want to see happy relationships, dating. We want to see young people out there dating, being in love. When people are actually showing each other love without any kind of restriction, without feeling like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm so stupid for doing this because, people are going to say, I'm doing too much. It's just a team, Stop it. Stop it. If you love your person, if you are in love with each other, show each other that. If you love your person and you want to buy them the most extravagant things because you love them, do it. Stop being afraid of being in love. Stop being afraid of wanting to build a future with someone, believing in a future with someone. Stop being afraid of believing that your relationship can indeed end in a marriage. A relationship with a partner who is faithful, who loves you and only you. Believe them when they say they love you. And if at all it's not true, that doesn't matter. Enjoy the moment. Be in the moment. Trust and believe that that person was brought into your life to bring joy and happiness into your world. Stop making it seem like it is okay for people to cheat. It is not okay. It is not okay to have a partner that you can't even be open and honest and truthful with. It is not okay to be in a relationship with someone who you feel like, no, you know what, let me not, do too much. Let me not love them too much. What do you mean love too much? What do you mean? I'm sorry, guys, but I refuse to do things that just make me, stay relevant, and promote this whole MJOLO the pandemic thing. I refuse to be a part of the trend. Yeah, where MJOLO, is hard. It's what, cheating is normal. No, it's not. Stop giving people the pass to just treat you guys badly and be on some, what would I expect? I expect you loyalty. I expect you to be faithful to me. I expect you to be committed to me. Whether we're just dating or not. Like, whether we're just dating or we're married, I mean to say, there's still a level of commitment that we both have vowed to one another. Once you decide that we are official, you are my boyfriend, you are my girlfriend, you have now committed to building relationship with that person. You have committed to that. You have committed to that one person. Okay? So, I just want to remind you guys that the things that you say, the things that you do, the things that you promote, you're speaking things into your life without you even realizing it. You are speaking pain into your future. You are speaking hurt, betrayal. You are speaking those things into your future. Like I said, I don't like to use that phrase. And I hate that I'm even using it, that it's even coming out of my mouth. I hate using it. Because first of all, it's quite vulgar. And I'm not a vulgar person. But I am deliberately using it because that is what we consistently and continuously hear. I'm tired. I'm tired of seeing failed relationships be a norm. I'm tired of seeing divorce be a norm. I'm tired of seeing hurt, pain, cheating being a norm. It is sad that my generation currently has that in their heads, where you cannot be in a monogamous relationship, that you cannot have somebody that is completely devoted to you and you alone. It's really sad. And I wanted to make this video to one, vent about that because it is irritating the life out of me, and two, to remind you that the power of the tongue, guys, the power of the tongue, what you say, what you think, what you say, you're speaking into your future. You have the power to change your future simply by declaring the right things. So when you decide to declare things that are when you decide to declare things that are negative, expect negativity, and don't be surprised when that negativity comes. But don't come at those people that actually do believe that good things can come their way, that good things are coming their way. People who trust and believe that the good Lord has something great for them. People who actually believe in Jeremiah 29:11. Don't look at them sideways when they declare good things over their lives. And lo and behold, they actually see those good things happening in their lives. Don't be surprised. You have that opportunity as well. You also have it in you to speak life into your relationship. Your relationship can become a success. Your life is destined for greatness. You are standing in your own way. I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I came to you guys barefaced, crusty, whatever. I don't really care. But I needed to just get this out there. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know what you think about this whole MJOLO the pandemic thing. Do you agree with me? Do you feel like I'm being dramatic? Do you feel like it's just, hasepel? Let's comment down below. Let's engage. Subscribe if you haven't already and join this amazing family. Share this video with somebody so that people will know that we are here and we're hanging out every now and then. And that is me. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.